Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to play games on Bigo Live. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Bigo Live application. Here you can either click on the game option in the top section of your screen. Here you can play the games of your liking. Or you can click on the video icon in the bottom section of your screen. Click on the confirm button in order to grant the permission to access the camera. If you want to allow Bigo Live to take pictures and record video, then you can click on while using the app or only this time option. Now swipe left and click on Game Live option in the bottom section of your screen. Click on Choose Games option. Here in the search bar, you can type in the name of the game that you wanna play, or you can simply play the games that are recommended. And that is how you can play games on Bigo Live application. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.